Today we are taking a look at this powerful power bank. You could charge a device 60% of the way in 30 minutes. This thing is absolutely solid, which is really nice. So let's take a closer look over here. So I got my phone over here. I got a charger. So we have a manual right over here. It's going to walk you through everything that you need to do. You'll see everything right over here. Super easy to walk through. Comes in this box right over here. This is TSA approved as well. So what everyone wants to see right here is everything we get. So we have right over here, we got USB. We have another USB over here. We have a USB-C. And then this is where we're going to put the charger right over here. Or we're going to put the charger right in here. And this is a USB C cord. So we could do our headphones or anything that has this right over here. You will need cords for this if you want to charge something like an iPhone right over here. So you would just stick this right in there, and then we would just put this like that in right over here, and then you can see it is charging up top right over there, which is really nice. Also, really like the fact that if we hold this button right over here, if we hold that in just like that, we're going to get a flashlight right over here, which makes it super nice, easy if you're going camping. This is kind of the other side of it too. If you wanted to turn this off, we're just going to hit that just like that. We can see how much battery we have, which is great. This does last a long time. I really like the fact that you have all different stuff up here. Like I said, we got the two USB up there. We got the USB-C. And then we have this micro in. So if you're looking for a great charger that is super sturdy, really well made, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.